got me down. Gonna get along without you now. My honey, gonna get along without you now. Got along without you before I met you. Gonna get along without you now. Gonna find somebody who's twice as cute, 'cause I didn't like you anyhow. You told everybody that we were friends, but this is where our friendship ends. All of a sudden you changed your tune. You haven't been around since way last June.